Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a running or walking animation in Roblox. First, open Roblox Studio, go to the avatar section, and add your avatar. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Now copy this file, you can delete and place it here. Here's the start character and script. Place it here. As you can see, we need to find the ran animation. Yes. Then go to the animation editor and add the rig. Select the avatar block and start animating. Here. Click here. Name your animation. How can we clear this? Let's call it Run Animation. Now we can begin. I'll show you a simple way. Let's start at the 7th millisecond. Drag the slider and we've got a walking animation. This hand goes forward. Then this arm back, this leg forward. You can create your own animation, right? I'm making mine now. You can do it however you like. Now he's making the first movement, which he'll finish at 0:13. We need to continue it. This hand here, that hand there, this leg back, that leg forward. There. We've got a short animation of normal walking. You can make it any way you want, really. The slider's too thin, hard to hit sometimes. There. He'll finish the animation with the same movement. Returning to the starting position. But we can extend it. Usually it needs to be extended. So he was standing like this. All right. He'll continue this frame here. We can make this animation longer if needed. But usually this many frames is enough for a smooth loop. Now we need to save it. Click the 3 dots, Publish to Roblox. Let's name it Ran Animation. Hit Save. Copy the ID and close this. It should be saved now. Let's close this. Now let's go to the run. Here's the run anim. We'll paste the ID here. Now press enter. Oh, there it is. When we launch our game, it's just the P15 model. This is the P6 model, so the animation will work. That's all. Subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, good luck, and goodbye, everyone.